Do you find yourself constantly stressed about your financial situation and unable to pursue your dreams or plan for the future? Well, you're not alone. Debt can be suffocating, trapping us in a cycle of worry and regret. But fear not, there's hope. In this video, we'll unveil a step-by-step guide to help you break free from the shackles of debt and take control of your financial future. So without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, understand the type of debt you have. Understanding the types of debt you're facing is the first step towards developing a successful repayment plan. Debt manifests in various forms, each presenting its unique challenges and implications. Firstly, loans constitute a significant portion of debt for many individuals. Whether it's borrowing for education, acquiring a home, or financing a business venture, loans are often necessary but can become burdensome if not managed effectively. Failure to keep up with loan payments can trigger a cycle of borrowing to cover expenses, exacerbating financial strain. Additionally, debt can arise from unforeseen circumstances beyond one's control. Medical emergencies, divorce proceedings, or sudden unemployment can swiftly lead to accumulating debt with high interest rates. These circumstances not only impose financial hardships, but also intensify the challenges of breaking free from the debt cycle. Furthermore, debt can be a consequence of excessive spending and imprudent financial behavior. Credit card debt, for instance, often results from overspending and living beyond one's means. This form of debt tends to escalate rapidly, consuming a significant portion of income and impeding progress towards financial stability. Addressing spending habits and adopting responsible financial practices are essential in curbing this type of debt and regaining control over one's finances. Number 2, take control of your spending. Taking control of your spending is the cornerstone of any successful debt repayment plan. Start by conducting a thorough analysis of your expenses, distinguishing between essential needs and discretionary wants. Trim unnecessary costs wherever possible, such as canceling unused subscriptions or dining out less frequently. Consider alternative options for everyday expenses, like carpooling or cooking meals at home. Negotiate with service providers for better rates on utilities or insurance. Additionally, explore opportunities to increase your income through part-time work or freelancing gigs. By adopting a frugal mindset and prioritizing financial discipline, you'll free up more funds to allocate towards debt repayment. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Number 3, figure out how much debt you have. Before devising a repayment plan, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your debt obligations. Gather all relevant financial documents, including credit card statements, loan agreements, and billing statements. Compile a comprehensive list of your outstanding debts, noting the creditor, outstanding balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment for each account. Utilize tools like credit reports to ensure you don't overlook any debts. By confronting the full extent of your financial liabilities, you can develop a realistic strategy for debt elimination. This process may reveal debts you were unaware of or underestimated, highlighting areas where you need to focus your efforts. Take note of any discrepancies or errors and address them promptly to avoid complications. Embracing transparency and accountability regarding your debt situation empowers you to take proactive steps towards financial stability, lays the foundation for effective debt management. Remember, knowledge is power, and arming yourself with accurate information lays the foundation for effective debt management. Take the time to assess your debt landscape thoroughly, and you'll be better equipped to tackle it head-on. Number 4, decide how much you can afford to pay. Determining the amount you can allocate towards debt repayment requires careful budgeting and financial planning. Start by calculating your total monthly income, including wages, bonuses, and any additional sources of revenue. Next, list all your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, and transportation costs. Subtract these mandatory expenses from your total income to determine your discretionary income, the funds available for debt repayment. However, it's essential to prioritize the minimum payments on each debt to avoid penalties and maintain your creditworthiness. After covering these minimum obligations, evaluate how much remains for accelerated debt repayment. Consider reallocating funds from non-essential expenses or exploring opportunities to increase your income. By committing to a realistic debt repayment budget, you ensure consistent progress towards financial freedom while maintaining financial stability. Remember, every dollar dedicated to debt elimination brings you one step closer to achieving your goals. Stay disciplined and focused on your financial objectives, and you'll soon reap the rewards of your diligence. Number 5, put together a plan. With a clear understanding of your financial situation, it's time to develop a strategic debt repayment plan. Begin by prioritizing your debts based on factors, such as interest rates, outstanding balances, and creditor term. You can opt for the Snowball method, focusing on paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum and motivation. Alternatively, consider the debt stacking approach, targeting high-interest debts to minimize long-term interest payments. Explore debt consolidation options to streamline your payments and potentially reduce overall interest costs. Regardless of the method you choose, consistency is key. Set realistic goals and establish a timeline for debt repayment, breaking it down into manageable milestones. Track your progress regularly and adjust your plan as needed to stay on course. By committing to your debt repayment plan and remaining disciplined, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Number 6. Build an emergency fund. As you embark on your debt repayment journey, it's essential to prioritize building an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, derailing your progress if you're not prepared. Aim to set aside a portion of your income each month into a dedicated savings account. Start small, with a goal of accumulating at least a few $100s initially. As your financial situation improves, strive to build your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net provides a buffer against unforeseen circumstances, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. By having an emergency fund in place, you can avoid resorting to additional debt when faced with unexpected expenses. Make regular contributions to your emergency fund a priority, treating it as an essential aspect of your overall financial health. Number 7. Don't create more debt. While focusing on debt repayment, it's crucial to avoid accumulating new debt. Temptations to spend beyond your means or rely on credit cards may arise, but resist the urge to indulge in frivolous purchases. Stick to your budget and prioritize needs over wants, distinguishing between essential expenses and discretionary spending. If you must use credit cards for emergencies, do so sparingly and commit to paying off the balance in full each month. Consider implementing strategies to curb impulse spending, such as leaving credit cards at home or practicing delayed gratification. Remember, every dollar spent on unnecessary purchases prolongs your journey to debt freedom. Stay disciplined and stay focused on your financial goals. By cultivating healthy financial habits and exercising restraint, you'll prevent further debt accumulation and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Number 8. Bounce back from setbacks. Along your debt repayment journey, setbacks are inevitable. Whether it's an unexpected expense, a reduction in income, or a temporary financial hardship, setbacks can derail your progress and test your resolve. When faced with challenges, don't despair. Instead, regroup and recalibrate your strategy. Review your budget and identify areas where you can trim expenses or increase income. Consider reaching out to creditors to negotiate payment plans or temporary relief options. Remember, setbacks are temporary obstacles, not permanent roadblocks. Stay resilient and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's paying off a credit card or reaching a savings milestone. By remaining proactive and adaptable, you'll overcome setbacks and continue making progress towards debt freedom. With determination and perseverance, you'll emerge stronger and more financially empowered than ever before. Breaking free from debt is a journey fraught with challenges, but it's also a journey filled with immense rewards. By following these steps and remaining committed to your goals, you can crush your debt and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and build a life free from the burden of debt. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.